Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to open PowerPoint using run command. So firstly press Windows key plus R. Now type PowerPNT, PowerPNT, then press enter or click on OK. So as we can see, we can open PowerPoint using run command easily. Again I will show you. Press Windows key plus R. Now type PowerPNT. Make sure you don't type PowerPoint, but you need to type PowerPNT. Then click on OK. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment you like this video or not.